Put them up. You wanna fight?
These birds are going crazy.
I can't whistle. Sorry.
Are you talking to the birds?
No.
Which one of these birds? Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, it's a video?
Yeah, on video.
Polly! Polly, stop!
Polly is losing his shit.
No one's even doing anything. Shut up. Shut up.
He's having a good time, I think.
I don't like the way you're talking to me.
Oh, is that right? You need respect. You need to be treated.
I need respect.
You are.
I need respect from this bird.
Take it where we can get it, right?
Shut up.
Did you see his leg? I was like, oh.
What's he doing here?
Dance, Polly. Yeah.
Polly is dancing.
Yeah.
What?
See, look, he's going nuts.
He's
throwing
shopping
up
for
his...
some makeup. Yeah. Shake a booty. You don't want to? Alright. Alright. Yours is quiet, man.
She just wants to be loved.
Her name is Chica. That's what that little girl said.
Chica and Papi.
Yo, Papi. I feel like Papi is a very sexual name.
Is it? I mean, I don't know. It's like that's
Papi.
I've only ever heard it in that context, but I didn't know if it was.
I think so.
Oh, Papi! Oh, Papi!
There you go.
You've been watching too much porn. You just called yourself out.
I thought people called, I thought guys liked it when they call him daddy.
Well, that's the
That's
same
more
thing.
true.
No, that's kind of creepy, though, isn't it?
Hey, Daddy.
Daddy, I don't want to.
Daddy issues? I don't want any more daddies in my
I don't want
life.
to be your daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Somebody else. Somebody else is your daddy, not me.
Sorry. Hey, Papi.
Why does it keep getting that newspaper?
Wants to eat it.
What's worse is if the guy calls the woman mommy.
That's weird. That's weird. Straight up, hands down.
Yeah. That's like Republican weird.
Hey, I'm a Republican.
Oh, don't tell me that.
We gotta get Sissy.
What does that even mean?
Bye.
Bye.
Come on, we gotta get Sissy.
Papi! Oh, Papi!
Oh, Papi.
I think he's desperate to do anything to please us so that we'll bring him some more tortilla chips. Why are they not bringing me more tortilla chips? I was enjoying those tortilla chips. See? See? See what I mean? Going nuts in there.
Do you have nuts, Polly? I'm curious. I need to know if you're a boy. Are you a trans? Is that why you don't want to talk about it? Yeah?
Really? Have you ever met a trans? You can't get him to shut up about it.
I just almost fell.
Alright, do we have anything else do we have any parting shots to say to these birds before I turn the camera off?
Peace, bitches.
Peace, bitches. Peace, bitches.
Bye.
Bye-bye.